OMG KCON official page cover photo na feature sina Beanie Sheena and Beanie Colette. Last year nga nakapag-perform ang Beanie sa KCON LA 2024 The Pre-Show, and the first Filipino act to perform at KCON. At ngayon ginulat tayo nang makita ang KCON Twitter official page na ma-feature ang Beanie members na si Beanie Sheena and Beanie Colette in the center with the crowd. This is where the cover photo taken while Beanie Sheena and Beanie Colette enjoying the performances at KCON LA 2024. Mga fan speculation sa cover photo ng KCON Twitter official page na makapag-perform ulit ang Beanie sa KCON 2025 at sa main stage na. At kompleto na ang Beanie members dahil last year wala si Beanie Joanna dahil nagkasakit. May official dates and venues na ang KCON 2025, Japan May 9 to 11 and USA August 1 to 3. Wala pa mang official statement kung makakasama ba ang Beanie sa KCON this year 2025. But still thankful and happy sa mga achievements ng Beanie lalo na sa kanilang world tour nila this year 2025.